thirikari gukorwo ikianirira kurekereria kigina kigina gia kurugamirira macukuru mathukuru mamwe no mathiite na mbere na kuherithika kuuma na gukorwo makiaga gukorwo kana magikorwo matari maraamukira kigina giki kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia arutani nikio na ati mwena wa bondo niwe George ajwang augite ni makiamukirite mateta maingi kuma kuri macukuru matiganite kuumana nao gukorwo matakiri marakiamukira kigina giki gukiri uguo ne gitariirie guoya wake na makiria hindi ino igeranio cia gibururi ikirie
that is the the government to at least give us a clear line, not particularly on the issue for FPE, that is the funds being given to the schools. The board schools are affected, and most of the head of institutions and the teachers and the principals have not received the money, where a few who have received have not got the full amount which they are supposed to get. You find the school, one class, one account has got funds, the other account not receiving the money. And you know, one of some schools, you find the only accounts, all the 4 accounts have no amount, they are not receiving any amount. So we are really requesting the government to come clear so that we can know, because this is going to affect our pupils who are in school and students who are in school, because people are preparing for the national examination and the time is on 30th is October. They are going to have the exams, but the determination is that we are not prepared. The grades are not prepared well, and at this particular time, the government doesn't allow parents to give money to schools. So the head teachers and the principals are really in a coma. They don't know what to do. Really affected because they are being asked now and then to provide the accounts to the office, that is the ministry's office. They are being asked to acknowledge the amount they have received. They are being asked to add more names of names, but at the end of the day, they don't get this amount as expected. We are really requesting and we are really demanding that the government to come out, and if this one can be corrected, let it be done very fast so that before 30th, these people can be given what they deserve.